Welcome. Today we will talk about to go, and to go with the word to, and to go with the word for. For places in the city that people go to a lot, we very often use the. Go to the bank, go to the store, go to the gym, go to the pub, go to the swimming pool. We use the in these sentences because everyone understands what you do at that place. For you, it's important to remember the places we always use with the. It's also important to remember the places that we don't use with the. We don't say go to the cafe, we don't say go to the restaurant, we don't say go to the church. Learn which things we use with the and which things we don't, and remember them. Below this post is a list of many places we use with the and many places we use without. Look at this list. Practice writing meaningful sentences about yourself or people you know using the places, and remember which places have the and which places don't. So, for all of these places, you're going to use to. To plus place. Go to the gym, go to a hotel, go to a restaurant, go to France, go to Germany. Go for coffee, go for pizza, go for sushi. Go for a walk, go for a run, go for a hike. When you say go for, it means that you go to do the thing, to eat the thing, or to drink the thing. So for example, let's go for pizza. It means let's go eat pizza. Let's go for coffee. It means let's go drink coffee. When we use go for, we don't say exactly where. For example, let's go for coffee. Where? At Starbucks. Let's go for pizza. Where? At Pizza Hut. Below there is a list of things that you can go for. If you see something on this list or don't see something on this list and you have a question, write me a message and I will answer your question. Remember, when you study these things, make meaningful sentences about things you want to know how to say in conversations with people you speak English to. You don't have to remember everything at once. But when you make a mistake, write it in your list, write the correct sentence next to it, read your list before you study or at the beginning of your time studying, and you will start to remember those things. Okay, everyone, that's it for this lesson. If you have anything else, if you have any questions, please write me a message. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Put a bookmark on the blog. Check back for new posts and new information. I will see you soon.